How to fix your device isn't part of the Netflix household for this account. So in this video, if you're actually having this kind of error on your Netflix, if you're trying to log in, then in this video we will actually tackle how to solve this. So in order to solve this, I have in here this help article from Netflix. So you need to actually verify that you have an access for that particular account. And you also need to verify that you're on the same household as them. In order to do this, you can actually watch temporarily, but I don't recommend that since you want permanent access. In order to use this in order to fix this, when you get this error message, just send email or send text and the code will be sent. Now this will ask for that, and from in there, just check the email or text that you get and find a code. Go back to that particular error page and then tap submit code and click on continue to Netflix in order to actually solve this part. So I hope this video helped you out, and if it did, feel free to like and subscribe. It really supports the channel. And if you got a question, just drop it in the comments.